oral microbiome for strong teeth and gums. Overall health support. Synadentix is specifically formulated to rebuild the oral microbiome, essential for maintaining a healthy and bright smile. The product works by reactivating your body's natural ability to repair teeth while you sleep by boosting healing saliva flow. This not only deeply cleanses your mouth of bad bacteria and toxins but also nourishes your gums and teeth and protects your brain from these harmful bacteria. Inside every Synadentix chewable, you'll find a perfectly dosed proprietary mix of rare enzymes and highly potent plants and minerals that are supported by multiple medical studies. Order 6 bottles and get 3 free bonuses. Bonus number 1: Red Carpet Breath, the scent of confidence. Top A-list actors do this 30-second pH ritual that balances your oral biome and keeps you kissable for up to 16 hours. Retail price, $147. Today, free. Bonus number 2: Fix mouth breathing the easy and natural way, without tape. Try this 5-minute facial yoga ritual to rewire your breathing so your body stops drying out your mouth and gums overnight. Retail price, $157. Today, free. Bonus number 3: The Sculpted Smile Ritual, instant gum plumping from the aesthetic elite. A fingertip ritual that stimulates gum microcirculation, tightens inflamed tissue, and plumps your smile in 60 seconds flat. Retail price, $197. Today, free. Every 6 bottles order gets free shipping too. 96% of customers order 6 bottles, our recommended option. Claim your discounted Synadentix while stocks last. 2+1 bottles. 100% satisfaction. 90-day money-back guarantee. Your order today is covered by our ironclad 90-day 100% money-back guarantee. If you are not impressed with the results, then just write to us and we'll refund every single cent. Frequently asked questions. How does Synadentix work? The real problem behind all your teeth and gum problems isn't poor hygiene, it's P. gingivalis, the gum disease bacteria that create tiny holes in your gums and use them as a highway to your bloodstream, where they can reach your heart and brain. This chewing protocol is based on your body's natural ability to repair teeth while you sleep by activating healing saliva flow, the same process that kept our ancestors' teeth healthy for 200,000 years without dentists. We've just taken it further by turbocharging it with powerful ingredients that go directly into your bloodstream, cleansing and repairing not only your gums and teeth but also detoxing your entire system at the cellular level. What is your money-back guarantee? This is a risk-free option that we are offering you because we believe in this formula so much. This means you can try Synadentix for a full 90 days. And if you are not completely convinced by the amazing results, just write to us and we'll refund every single cent. How many bottles should I order? Most of our clients order 6 bottles at a time, and many double their order because they want to enjoy the benefits of this amazing formula for as long as possible. It is a smart choice because those who buy the 6-bottle pack get a massive discount, free shipping, and 3 free online guides. That's a lot of value and savings, especially since our clients usually want to reorder once they start seeing results. How do I use Synadentix? We recommend that you let 1 tablet melt under your tongue or slowly chew it at night time before going to bed. Is this a one-off purchase? Yes, your order is a one-off purchase with no hidden auto-ship, clauses, or charges. The price you see on the checkout page is the only price you will pay. What are the ingredients in Synadentix? Every single chewable of Synadentix contains NASA-grade microcrystalline hydroxyapatite complex, clinical lactoferrin, and marine enzymes that are specifically designed to support the strength of your gums and teeth. Claim your discounted Synadentix while stocks last. Scientific references: Amici, B.T., Lemke, K.C., Saha, S., Luong, M.N., and Gelfond, J., 2021. Clinical efficacy of nanohydroxyapatite-containing toothpaste at relieving dentin hypersensitivity, an 8 weeks randomized control trial. BDJ Open, 7/23, 1-8. https://doi.org/10.385/S414005-021-00080-7. Bauer, J.A., Zaymaka, M., Makhtan, J., and Bhairava-Linkova, V. 2022. Glucose oxidase, an enzyme Ferrari, its structure, function, production, and properties in the light of various industrial and biotechnological applications. Biomolecules, 12/3/472. https://doi.org/10.3390/biom120304772. Berluti, F. Piloni, A. Pietropaoli, M. Palomini, A. and Valenti, P. 2012. Lactoferrin and oral diseases, current status and perspective in periodontitis. Annali di Stomatologia, 2, 3-4, 10-18. Chen, S.Y., Dela Cruz, J., Kim, Y., Kingston, R., Purvis, L., and Sharma, D. 2023. Effect of xylitol on Porphyromatous gingivalis, a systematic review. Clinical and experimental dental research, 9/265-275. https://doi.org/10.1002/CRE2.724. Writer, M.I., 2020. Porphyromatous gingivalis and Alzheimer disease, recent findings and potential therapies. Journal of Periodontology, 91, 1, S45 S49. https://doi.org/10.1002/jper.20-0104. Farouk, I., and Bookchin, A., 2021. The Role of Salivary Contents and Modern Technologies in the Remineralization of Dental Enamel, a Narrative Review. F1000 Research, 9/3/171. https://doi.org/10.12688/f1000 research.22499.3. Lay, S., Lee, J., U, J., Lee, F., Pen, Y, Chen, X, Ma, C, Zhao, W, and Tang, X, 2023. Porphyromatous gingivalis bacteremia increases the permeability of the blood-brain barrier via the MFSD2A/Kvolin-1 mediated transcytosis pathway. International Journal of Oral Science, 15, 1, 1-12. https://doi.org/10.038/S41368-022-00215. Lu, N, Li, X, Wang, M, Zhang, F, Wang, C, Zhang, K, Wang, H, Su, S, Wu, W, and Gu, L, 2021. Dex-A70, the truncated form of a self-produced dextranase, effectively disrupts Streptococcus mutans biofilm. Frontiers in Microbiology, 12/737,458. https://doi.org/10.3389/FMEA.2021.7374558. Magich, M, Kedzura, K, Sapa, J, and Krasisiak, W, 2019. The Significance of Lactoperoxidase System in Oral Health, Application and Efficacy in Oral Hygiene Products. International Journal of Molecular Sciences, 26, 1443. https://doi.org/10.3390/IJMS200614443. Najib Fard, K, Ramanlingam, K, Chewable, I, and Amici, B.T., 2011. Remineralization of early caries by a nanohydroxyapatite dentifrice. The Journal of Clinical Dentistry, 22, 5, 139-143. Hepla, E, Bishara, L.K., Pala, G, Teneri, G, and Miglio, G, 2014. Nanohydroxyapatite and its applications in preventive, restorative, and regenerative dentistry, a review of literature. Annali di Stomatologia, 5, 3, 108-114. Rick Vold, P.D., Benedict, L., Meyer, R.L., Jorgensen, M.R., Tiwari, M.K., and Schleifer, S., 2023. The effect of enzymatic treatment with mutinase, beta-glucanase, and DNase on a saliva-derived biofilm model. Caries Research, 58, 2, 72-80. https://doi.org/10.1159/0005399880. Sikotosto, G.D., Mohammed, A.I., Paulini, R., Bijelsma, E., Towson, S., Holden, J., Reynolds, E.C., Dashper, S.G., and Butler, C.A., 2024. Chronic oral inoculation of Porphyromatous gingivalis and Treponema denticola induce different brain pathologies in a mouse model of Alzheimer's disease. The Journal of Infectious Diseases, 230, 2, S109-S116. https://doi.org/10.1093/infdis/GIE286